So there's another view that if India had not got divided, then it would have been one country.
I am for it.
With 45 crore Muslims.
I believe the worst thing that happened to this country was the division. Partition shouldn't have taken place. It was better for the Muslims if they lived as one country. It would have been better.
Why do you say so?
Because I feel that in many ways, I believe it would have been a bigger force. I mean, imagine the resources of Pakistan, India all put together, whether it be sports, whether it be cricket, whether it be otherwise, whether it be intellectual, it would have been far better and we would be a bigger force.
Right.
Now India is supposed to be superpower in the next few years. Right. China and India is competing. If it had been joined together, imagine Pakistan,
and
Bangladesh,
Muslims
India.
themselves would have had much stronger political power.
Without doubt. I feel it was more of, again, the view of some of the individuals who wanted division, not the Muslims. I mean, the various theories where the partition took place. Right. I don't want to go into the details. Right. It was engineered and it took place.
But the partition did harm the Muslims of the subcontinent.
That's my view. 100%. If they be together with a bigger force, they lived harmoniously as we were before, and better in many ways in terms of economics, in terms of education. See what I believe, that it was what I feel, what little I have read. It was more of a pressure tactic used by some of the Muslim politicians to get their rights, which backfired. Or the opposition took it as a thing and they said, okay, let's part.
And maybe the partition was accepted too easily by the Congress.
And besides that, the people who parted, these politicians weren't really practicing Muslims. I believe the worst thing that happened to this country was the division. Partition shouldn't have taken place. It was better for the Muslims if they lived as one country.